To set up a class in JavaScript, you type the class keyword followed by the name of the class with a capital letter and a pair of curly braces. Classes typically have a constructor with a certain set of parameters that can be viewed as the properties of the fancy class object. These are declared with the this.parameter syntax. To set a new instance of the object class, you'll do the name of the object that you want to set up and then new followed by the class name, as well as filling in the content. To view this, we'll do a console log to show the input. Classes can also have their own instance functions, which can be called from outside of the class. In this example, we will do a oatmealraisin.eatCookie. Classes can be useful if you're handling a large amount of data, or if you need to model a particular object. This is where we get the term object-oriented programming.